What's good? Welcome back to Investment and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Zanzibar. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, seeing a little bit of a push, sitting at 30.8k, up almost 2% on the day. Seeing market cap of 598 billion, 24-hour volume 13.17 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So, if we can break the B wave high, which is currently sitting at 30981, then we can start to put in that wave 5. Right now we just have a bit of a choppy correction. If we roll over and we come deeper, then I would look at a WXY and just coming a little bit deeper into this target zone. But once again, we are breaking the trend line of the bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So if we break that B wave high, we can push up to 33.5k. Daily chart, as I mentioned, waiting for the EMAs to catch back up to the candles, just consolidating, allowing the EMAs to catch up exactly as we mentioned on the channel. Little bull flag here. So if we can break out of this bull flag, give you a technical target, that will take you all the way up to about 36k. That's just the technical target. Doesn't always play out that way. That's why I don't trade patterns anymore. I just use them as confluence. Weekly bullish cross has printed. As you can see, the 20 is crossover with the 55. We were able to hold the bullish cross, which is a bottoming signal that has never failed in the bear market to signal the bull market is starting. As you can see right here, bullish cross, bull market, as you can see right here. After we broke underneath, we had the bullish cross, we held them, boom, bull market. And that's what we're seeing once again. So I do believe that the bull market is starting, in my opinion. Taking a look at the DXY, we talked about seeing one more wave up and a wave C. And that's exactly what we're seeing. We're in our target zone in between 1 and 2, 1 and 3. The max retracement for a 2 is actually 99% of wave 1. But the normal targets are in between the this is all the way on the 0.382. The normal target is in between the 0.5 and the 0.786. Minimum target 38.2. Maximum target 99% retracement of wave 1. But the normal target is in between the 50% and the 78.6. So we're seeing an ABC correction in a wave 2 before seeing continuation down, in my opinion. And that's when we'll see the price of BTC start to break out to the upside. All right, we're currently in a Bitcoin trade. One of our trades, we got in at 27, where is it here? 27.5k, as you can see right here. Juicy entry. Actually, this is a separate trade. This was 27k. We had one at 27.5 as well. And our first take profit is 32.2. We're in a trade for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Gala and Sand. And you can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. If you sign up to Bitget or Bybit, grab those bonuses, up to 30k bonuses, up to 8k bonuses on Bitget. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. Email me or sign up email. Takes 2 minutes. And you receive a 30-day free trial. Come on, internet. To my signals. We'll just let this load up here. Receive a 30-day free trial to my crypto signals analysis. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays my forex signal analysis as well. 30-day free trial. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.